Liver Transplant Institute, a media information meeting was performed. This meeting about the liver pair exchange system. Liver pair exchange system in İnönü Üniversitesi'nde was performed with collaboration with Boston College Professor Tayfun Sönmez, Professor Utku Ünver, who is economy professor, this France. Liver new developed system, running matching algorithm system. We have a swap liver transplantation because the living donor of the liver patients probably are suitable only 1/3 of living donors. 2/3 of living donors are not suitable due to ABO incompatibility or volume incompatibility or any anatomic mismatch. After this running match algorithm that developed by economy professor Professor Sönmez and Professor Ünver in İnönü Üniversitesi, the firstly 2022 July for four-way liver pair exchange, and after the cataclysms, the Turkish earthquake in April 25, the three-way liver pair exchange we did. The four-way liver pair exchange in world the first and third three-way liver pair exchange in third of the world. With this running matching algorithm, new system, new swap system. After that, probably we will introduce to the more and more living donors using in liver transplant recipients. We hope the more and more recipient will have a liver transplant chance.